What's the sound effects about?
Just wanted to make sound effects.
I see.
That's what it would be without. This is what it would be without. That's so fun.
I see. Sound effects make it more fun.